Bluetooth isn't working on your computer, here's how to fix it. Hit your Windows button and search for Services, and hit Enter. Now go through this list and look for Bluetooth. Luckily, these are in alphabetical order, so it's easy to find. There are 4 here in this row, so what you'll need to do is just click on it and right click and go to Properties. And you see the start type here is manual. That means when you start up your computer, you have to turn on Bluetooth manually. It's not going to do it automatically. If you look at the drop down here, you can do automatic delayed start, automatic manual, or disabled. If you hit disabled, that's going to disable Bluetooth completely. So you want to set it to automatic and hit apply or OK. And do the same thing for the next one. Go to automatic and hit apply, and do that for the rest of them, however many you have. You just set them all to automatic. At that point, you can close services. As soon as your PC has restarted, Bluetooth should now be running and should be working. But if it still isn't, here's something else you can try. Hit your Windows button once again and search for Device Manager. In the list near the top, you'll see Bluetooth. Expand that. And I have one driver here. So I just want to right click on that and hit Update Driver. Search automatically, and it's telling me it's up to date. But if yours isn't, it's going to update the driver. So those are some potential fixes. If your computer is slow and lagging while you're trying to do all this, then check out the video right here. It'll tell you what's causing your computer to be slow and how to fix it.